Hello and welcome back to English Friends Chat. We're so happy you are here with us for another long lesson today.
Hi, everyone. We are very excited to talk to you because today we have a lot of helpful information for your life. If you are new to our channel, please click the subscribe button and like this video. It helps us stay connected with you.
Yes, thank you for your support. It makes us very happy to see our community growing every day. Ryan, you look very happy today. Why are you smiling so much?
Ha ha ha. I am smiling because I have a very good cup of coffee here, and the sun is shining through the window.
Coffee and sunshine are the best things to start a day. I am drinking tea today because my throat feels a little dry.
Tea is very good for you. I hope it helps you feel better. It is important to be healthy when you work hard.
Thank you, Ryan. I feel fine. I am just excited to help our friends learn some new English words.
Me too. It is a beautiful day to learn together. I think we are ready to begin.
Today we have a very important topic to discuss. We are talking about your work.
Work is something we do almost every day, so we need to know how to talk about it in English with confidence.
We will talk about your job title, your daily tasks, and how you feel about your office or your workplace.
We will also use long role plays to show you exactly how to use these words in real-life situations.
This will be very helpful for your next conversation with a coworker or a new friend. Let us start our first section.
When we meet someone new, the first question is often about work.
That is true. People usually ask, "What do you do?" or "What is your job?"
I have a hard word here. The word is occupation.
That is a long word. An occupation is just a formal way to say job or the work you do to earn money.
So my occupation is an English teacher, and your occupation is an English teacher too.
Yes, but in a party, we use the phrase to make a living. It means to earn money to pay for your house and food.
Let us start our first long role play to show how to meet someone and talk about your occupation. I will be a person at a party and Emma will be a stranger. Hello, my name is Ryan. I do not think we have met before.
Hi, Ryan. I am Emma. It is very nice to meet you. Are you a friend of the host?
Yes, I went to school with the host many years ago. And you?
I am a coworker of the host. We work in the same office.
Oh, that is interesting. So, Emma, what do you do for a living?
I am a sales manager for a clothing company. I travel to different cities to sell our clothes.
That sounds like a very busy job. Do you like traveling so much?
I like it, but sometimes I get tired of airplanes. What about you, Ryan? What is your occupation?
I'm an accountant. I work for a large bank in the city center.
An accountant, you must be very good with numbers and math.
I try to be. I spend my day looking at spreadsheets and computer screens.
Do you work in a big team or do you work alone?
I work in a small team with 4 other people. We help each other every day. Thank you. It was very nice talking to you, Emma.
It was nice talking to you too, Ryan. See you later.
That was our first long role play. Did you hear how we asked about jobs?
Yes, we used the phrase, "What do you do for a living?" And we used the word occupation.
Now, let us talk about the specific things we do at work. We call these duties.
Duties are the specific tasks or the work you must do at your job every day.
For example, my duties include making lessons and talking to students.
My duties include answering emails and talking to customers.
Another word for this is being responsible.
When you are responsible for something, it means it is your job to take care of it or to make sure it is done correctly.
If you are a driver, you are responsible for the safety of the passengers.
Good morning, Ryan. How is your first week going so far?
Good morning, Emma. It is going very well, but I am still learning my new duties.
Do not worry, it takes time to learn everything. Let us review your responsibilities for this month.
That would be very helpful. I want to make sure I am doing everything correctly.
First, you are responsible for the morning reports. You need to check the numbers every day at 9 o'clock.
Okay, I can do that. Do I send the reports to you?
Yes, please send them to me and to the manager. Your next duty is answering the phone from 10 until 12.
I understand. What should I do if a customer has a difficult question?
If the question is difficult, you can ask your colleague Sarah for help. She is very experienced.
Thank you. That is good to know. Is there anything else I should be doing in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, you are responsible for filing the documents and updating the customer list.
That seems like a lot of work, but I think I can handle it.
You will be fine, Ryan. You are a very fast learner.
Thank you for the clarification. I will start the filing now.
You are welcome. Have a productive afternoon.
That was our second role play. We used the words duties, responsible, and clarification.
It's clarification. Means making something easier to understand by giving more information.
It is very important to ask for clarification if you are confused at work.
Let us talk about the people we work with. We call them coworkers or colleagues.
A coworker is a person who works in the same company as you.
It is good to have friendly coworkers because they make the day better.
Haha, I agree. It is very important to have teamwork.
Teamwork is when a group of people work together to achieve a goal.
If you work well with others, people will say you are a team player.
A team player is someone who helps the group and does not just think about themselves.
Let us start our third long role play about coworkers and teamwork. Emma will be a coworker, and I will be her colleague working on a project.
Hi, Ryan. Do you have a minute to talk about the project for next week?
Hi, Emma. Yes, I am just finishing my lunch. What is the situation?
We have a lot of work to do, and the deadline is very close.
I know. The deadline is next Tuesday, right?
Yes, it is next Tuesday, and we still need to finish the final report.
I can help with the report. I am quite good at writing summaries.
That would be wonderful if you write the summary. I can finish the charts and the images.
That's a good plan. We have great teamwork.
Yes, we are a great team. I was worried about the deadline, but now I feel better.
We should also ask our coworker Mark to help with the printing.
That is a good idea. Mark is a real team player. He always helps when we are busy.
I will send him an email right now to see if he is free.
Thank you, Ryan. I think we will finish everything on time.
I think so too. Let us meet again tomorrow morning to check our progress.
Perfect. See you then.
That was our third role play. Did you hear the words deadline and team player?
A deadline is a specific time or date when a task must be finished.
It is a very common word in every workplace.
I have a tip for our friends. If you want to be successful at work, you should be punctual.
Punctual means arriving at the correct time, not being late.
Being punctual shows that you respect your job and your colleague.
If you are always late, your employer might get angry.
An employer is the person or company that pays you to work.
Let us talk about another word. The word is salary.
Salary is the money you receive every month for doing your job.
Everyone wants a high salary, but you must work hard to get it.
Sometimes, if you do a great job, you get a promotion.
A promotion means moving to a higher position or a better job in the same company.
A promotion usually comes with a higher salary, too.
Let us do our fourth long role play about a promotion and a salary. Ryan will be the boss and Emma will be an employee. Emma, can you come into my office for a moment? I want to discuss your performance.
Of course, Ryan. Am I in trouble?
No, not at all. I have some very good news for you.
Oh, that sounds exciting. What is it?
I have noticed that you are always punctual, and you are a great team player.
Thank you. I really enjoy working here with the team.
Because of your hard work, the company wants to offer you a promotion.
A promotion. That is amazing news. Thank you so much.
You will now be the senior sales manager, and your salary will increase by 10%.
I'm very happy to hear that. I have worked very hard for this.
You deserve it. You have met every deadline, and your duties are always finished perfectly.
I am ready for the new responsibilities of being a senior manager.
We will start the transition next week. Congratulations, Emma.
Thank you, Ryan. I'm very excited for this opportunity.
That was our fourth role play. We used the words promotion, salary, and performance.
Performance means how well a person does their work.
If you have a good performance, you might get a bonus or a promotion.
Now let us talk about how we feel about work. Some jobs are stressful and some are satisfying.
Stressful means it makes you feel worried or tired because it is very difficult.
Satisfying means you feel happy because you did something good or useful.
I think teaching English is very satisfying because we see people improve.
I agree, but sometimes the commute can be stressful.
A commute is the travel you do between your home and your work.
If the traffic is bad, the commute is a nightmare.
Let us do our last long role play about work-life balance and feelings. Emma will be a friend, and I will be a friend talking after work.
Hi, Ryan. How was your day at the bank?
It was very stressful today, Emma. We had a lot of problems with the computers.
Oh, no, that sounds like a very long day.
It was. I had to stay late and work overtime to fix the mistakes.
Overtime means working more hours than your normal schedule.
Yes, I worked 2 extra hours, and now I am exhausted.
I understand. You need to have a better work-life balance.
You are right. I spend too much time at the office and not enough time relaxing.
Do you find your job satisfying even when it is stressful?
Usually, yes. I like helping people manage their money, but some days are just hard.
My job was satisfying today because I helped a new coworker learn the software.
That is great. Helping others is a very rewarding duty.
I hope you can go home now and get some rest.
Yes, I am going to call it a day and go to sleep.
Good idea. See you tomorrow, Ryan.
That was our 5th role play. We used the words stressful, satisfying, and overtime.
We have learned so many words today. Occupation, duties, responsible, deadline, and teamwork.
We also learned about being punctual, your employer, salary, and promotion.
These words are very common in every workplace around the world.
Now, let us review all the hard words we used in our conversation.
I will say the word and you give the meaning, Ryan.
I am ready, Emma.
Word number 1 is occupation.
It is a formal word for your job or career.
Word number 2 is duties.
These are the specific tasks you must do at work.
Word number 3 is responsible.
Having the duty to take care of something.
Word number 4 is deadline.
The specific time or date when a task must be finished.
Word number 5 is clarification.
Making something easier to understand.
Word number 6 is punctual.
Arriving exactly on time.
Word number 7 is colleague.
A person you work with.
Word number 8 is promotion.
Moving to a higher or better position at work.
Word number 9 is employer.
The person or company that pays you to work.
Word number 10 is satisfying.
Making you feel happy because you did a good job.
We also used words like salary, performance, commute, and overtime.
Those are all excellent words for our friends to practice.
Now let us play a quick game called the job game. I will describe a job and you guess the occupation.
I love this game. Please start, Emma.
I work in a hospital and I help the doctor take care of people.
That is an easy one. You are a nurse.
Correct. Next one. I work in a school and I help children learn to read and write.
You are a teacher.
Yes. Last one. I work in a restaurant and I bring food to the tables.
You are a waiter or a waitress.
Perfect. You know your occupations very well, Ryan.
Thank you, Emma. Now it is time for our final section.
We are at the end of our video today. We hope you learned a lot of new things about work.
Thank you for staying with us and practicing your English listening.
Remember to use these words the next time you talk to your colleagues.
It is important to practice every day to become a better speaker.
Before we go, we have our question of the day.
Today's question is, what is your dream occupation and why?
That is a beautiful question. Please tell us in the comments below.
For example, you can write, my dream occupation is to be a pilot because I love to fly.
Or you can write, my dream occupation is to be a chef because I love to cook.
We are very excited to read your answers and learn about your dreams.
Thank you for watching English Friends Chat. Do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
We will see you in the next video for more English practice.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.